they play a role and they are as important as anyone speaking lines. So it would be, that's why a lot of parents, maybe a lot or maybe few, when they say that why is it mandatory, it's mandatory because it is part of the school curriculum, it's part of our philosophy, it's part of our objectives. And if every other parent or child started saying, well, I don't want to be on it and I don't want to contribute, so you're just building a whole lot of empty masjids. So that's not conducive to a team event and team spirit. So I think on its success and its future. So once you put your child in your school, please cooperate with the administration, because we've been doing this for many years and we are looking at the school in its entirety, not from the point of view of one parent or one child. We try and accommodate as many people as possible, but there are times when you have to defer to our experience and our understanding of how we would like things to be. I personally have a great interest in always having events in school. There are many reasons for it. One of them being the safety and security of poor children and the pick and drop situation. It is so much easier here. And
सिंधु जी झोली मारवाड़न जी मिठड़ी बोली, रहे सदा सिंधु जी झोली मारवाड़न जी मिठड़ी बोली। गली गली गए घर घर गूंजन सिंधु कमर जाना नारा ये सिंधु जी सिंधु वारा दियन सिंधु टोपी अजरक वारा दियन, ये सिंधु जी सिंधु वारा दियन सिंधु टोपी अजरक वारा दियन।
मिस आबिदा रजा, बहुत खूब, डाढो सुठो। Choreography and makeup by Miss Rehana Jabin. Rehana, आइए please. Thank you. आपको तालियों से पता चल गया होगा कि कितना लोगों ने इसको एंजॉय किया। आप बच्चों को भी बुलाएं कर्टन कॉल के लिए। शाबाश, डाढो सुठो। Is to provide a holistic education to our children, not just book learning in the classroom. And the two main events in our calendar are the sports day and the annual concert. And these events actually showcase the other skills and talents that we want to nurture and to see flourish in our students. So with the sports day and annual concert, participation by our students is not optional, it's mandatory, and it's very important that your children be encouraged to participate, because at least in the junior school we make sure that every child is on stage and they get a chance to perform. And most of all, it's not just the confidence one gets performing in front of people on stage, but it's also a lot of work, it's a lot of teamwork, and they acquire skills of working together towards a common goal, which I think in life is even more important than being a leader, because everyone can't be a leader, but everyone can be a team member, and that's how you pull along, and that's how you progress to the path or the goal you have set. So that's why we give a great deal of importance to the concert and the sports day. And if everyone decided that, oh, my child doesn't want to participate, so I'm not contributing and I don't want to be part of it, I'm sorry, that's not a choice. The whole idea is to be together, to be part of the community that's putting up this show. Right? So if everyone started expressing their own opinions and wanting them, then I think we'll have several day ki masjids, which doesn't augur well for meeting goals. So, a school is only as good as the people within its community. And apart from us, the teachers,
आपके सामने एक ड्रामा पेश करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका नाम है हम सबका पाकिस्तान। इस ड्रामे के मरकजी किरदार में वो दादा दादी हैं जिन्होंने तहरीके पाकिस्तान में कायदे आज़म के शाना बशाना हिस्सा लिया था, मगर आज के पाकिस्तान
बेटा कैसे रहा तुम लोगों का दिन?
बहुत अच्छा दादा। आपको मालूम है हमारे स्कूल में 14 अगस्त की तैयारियां जोरों शोर से हो रही हैं। दादाबू, मेरे स्कूल से आपके लिए एक दावतनामा आया है। पता है आपको मेरे स्कूल में बुलाया है। दावतनामा? भाई वो किस सिलसिले में? हमारे स्कूल वाले खास तौर पर उन बुजुर्गों को इंटरव्यू के लिए बुला रहे हैं जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को अपनी आंखों से बनते देखा। मैंने भी अपनी टीचर को बताया कि मेरे दादा दादी तहरीक पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बहुत खुशी का इजहार किया और कहा हमें बहुत खुशी होती।
This is the story of an ordinary boy named Charlie Bucket. He was not faster or stronger or more clever than other children. His family was not rich or powerful or well connected. In fact, they barely had enough to eat. Charlie Bucket was the luckiest boy in the entire world. He just didn't know it yet. Evening, Bucket. Hi, Dad.
So Thomas, my darling, what I told you there is an extra to put it up?
Oh well, nothing was better than cabbage and cabbage.
Charlie, I found something I think you like.
Charlie's father worked at the local toothpaste factory. The owl.
It's your birthday next week. You still do have a chance.
You have as much chance as anybody does. The kids are going to find the good tickets are the ones who can afford to buy candy bars